Hey, Team Numis Canada. That's what I call my subscribers. Hello, coin collectors young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And it's been a busy week for me because we have this package from the US Mint. There was a visit to the post office where I picked up this. And we did the Mint tour and the Bank of Canada tour. And we got this. And we'll be back with all of that right after this. Welcome back. Well, let's start off with this package from the Mint because it is in a box. And I'll take out my trusty knife and we'll do my usual surgical cut. And that ends free. So I'm going to take out the bubble wrap, and the packaging looks like it's in the bottom, or the obligatory paperwork, so I will leave it there and just get rid of the whole box. And here we have, you can see what this is. The United States 22 American Eagle 1 ounce silver proof coin. And we go in here. We have the certificate of authenticity. And I'll let you read that if you want. If you can. And so, and without further ado, oh, it's really in there. So let's take it right out and push it from behind. These velvet boxes leave something to be desired. And now everybody knows what the Silver Eagle looks like. Kind of like the old Walking Liberties with Weinman's signature there. 2022, and we flip it over this way, and we have 1 ounce fine silver, E pluribus and the S mint mark right here between under the wing. So lovely coin, lovely bullion, and actually I'll leave it out, leave it to show it in the end, and put this underneath. Set that over here, and we'll go to the post office next. And what I was able to get at the post office is celebrating Oscar Peterson, the passion, the virtuosity, the music, and of course celebrating the genius of a Canadian jazz giant. Canada's Oscar Peterson from 1925 to 2007 wowed the world with his melodic improvisations and technical mastery, prompting the jazz legend to call him the man with 4 hands, and Duke Ellington to his nickname, My apologies. I'm taking my glasses off so I can read it. And Duke Ellington to nickname him Maharaja of the keyboard. His career spanned 6 decades of unforgettable performances and produced more than 400 recordings and myriad compositions, including the powerful civil rights anthem, Hymn to Freedom, a piano-driven call for equality, and the song that appears on the 2022 $1 commemorative circulation coin. And that's what we have in here. And I don't know if you can see that image on there, but this is the image that's on the coins. And here we are. We have, and of course I'll put photographs of all of these. These two coins are the same. This one is uncolorized and this one is colorized. And of course, you also have the regular loonie in here for this year, as well as the other circulation coins. But that is the Oscar Peterson card, and it has his achievements throughout his career here. And Queen Elizabeth on the back. It's interesting because I don't see the Royal Canadian Mint logo on any of these loonies or toonies, but it is on the smaller coins. And so we'll set that right here. And we'll go to the Royal Canadian Mint, and some of this is related and some of it is not. So we'll start off with what isn't. I have a roll here of Klondike coins. These are the loonies that were done in 2021 for the Klondike Gold Rush. And of course, I'll give you photographs of those here. And in addition to that, we have these Oscar Peterson, a roll of the Oscar Peterson uncolorized coins, which are the more valuable of between the colorized and uncolorized, because they produced 100,000 less of these than they did Oscar Peterson, the colorized version. And without further ado, here is the colorized. And so I have those 3 rolls here. And the final thing is what's in the box. And of course, there is also a 1 ounce silver coin commemorating Oscar Peterson. And of course, he is there at the piano. Just like his namesake that was named here, and that is Duke Ellington, which is on an American quarter. How cool is that? 2 great jazz musicians, one in the US and one here in Canada, and they played together too. And this is a 2022 silver coin. A $20 coin. And it's 1 ounce. And we have here in the certificate of authenticity, this is number 3,520, 3,256 out of 5,000 coins. And when I purchased this, they told me that these are going fast. And if you're in near one of the mints, they're doing a Loonie exchange where you can exchange a regular Loonie for one of the Oscar Peterson coins. And that's next week. So, and here's about the coin. And that's a lot. We have an American Eagle, a 1 ounce American Eagle, a 1 ounce Oscar Peterson, so lots of silver. And we have a lot of loonies. There's 3 in here, and 3 rolls here. How cool is that? Now, you may ask yourself, why did I get these rolls? Well, my promo pack is not moving. And that's unfortunate because I don't do the promo pack as a offering just so that you can send money for the 3 Blue Nose dimes from 2021 and a BU penny and all the stickers and magnets that I've created. And so for the next 10 people who purchase one, they will have their choice of the Klondike Gold Rush uncolorized coin, and this is the lower mintage between the colorized and uncolorized. The colorized Oscar Peterson loon, or the uncolorized Oscar Peterson loon. You, with the promo pack as a bonus for the next 10 people who purchase them, they will receive their choice of one of these 3 coins. And that's why I got these rolls. I hope you like that. So look in the description below and you'll see about purchasing the promo pack and how to send me the funds. It's not a lot of money, it's $5, and every penny that comes to me through my channel goes back into buying prizes for this channel. It also helps me to buy the equipment like the lighting that I have here. This is new lighting. And I have new lights behind me as well to give a full spectrum of lights rather than just the dining room light that I had previously. So trust me, I'm investing in this channel and wanting to make better videos for you. I also had to buy a new camera because this one died. Yep, my iPhone died. It doesn't work anymore. Once you unplug it, it stays powered for about less than a minute. And you see it just went out. So that's why I'm filming with this new camera. And it wasn't inexpensive. So I'm done complaining about money. That's just why I offered this promo pack, is to help offset some of the costs of bringing you all these wonderful prizes that I bring you. And I have another one of these, which will be a prize in the next, in the 900 giveaway. So let's get her up to 900 and then up to 1,000. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you again soon. Take care and bye for now. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.